I've been exploring Travel Insured International for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of Travel Insured. Travel Insured International is a long-standing travel insurance provider that's been around since 1994. Their core purpose is simple: they're there to protect you if your trip doesn't go as planned. Whether it's a last-minute cancellation, an interruption midway, a medical emergency overseas, or a suitcase that never shows up, they aim to cover those unexpected costs so your travel budget doesn't take the hit. They work by reimbursing you for prepaid, non-refundable trip expenses if you have to cancel for a covered reason, covering emergency medical care and evacuation, and even paying for essentials if your bags are delayed. When it comes to features, Travel Insured International offers several different plans depending on the type of trip you're taking and how much protection you want. Their most popular are the Worldwide Trip Protector and the Worldwide Trip Protector Edge, and for frequent flyers, they also have annual multi-trip policies. What I like is that you can customize coverage with add-ons like Cancel for Any Reason, which increases flexibility, and extras like electronic equipment coverage or rental car protection. Most plans come with primary medical coverage, so you won't have to go through your regular health insurance before tapping into it, giving you peace of mind if something happens abroad. They also stand out for covering pre-existing conditions if you purchase within 21 days of making your first trip payment, which not all insurers offer. Customer service is available 24/7, and while their claims process is generally straightforward, you'll want to be thorough with your documentation. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Their pricing can be on the higher side, especially if you start adding optional extras. Some of the more attractive features, like certain specialty coverages, aren't available on the lower-cost plans. I've also seen reports from customers who had to go through lengthy back and forth during the claims process, especially when paperwork was incomplete. And some even mentioned that the online claim system can be a bit glitchy. Also, their Cancel for Any Reason coverage isn't valid right up until takeoff. It ends a few days before your departure, which could surprise you if you haven't read the fine print. From my own experience, I found Travel Insured International to be professional and reliable. I purchased one of their mid-tier plans for an overseas trip, mainly for the medical coverage and the flexibility to cancel if needed. Setting up the policy was simple, and their customer service rep walked me through the add-ons in clear terms. I didn't end up having a major incident, but I did file a small claim for a delayed bag, and they processed it without too much hassle. The payout came through in a couple of weeks. While I did pay a little more than I might have with other insurers, the peace of mind and responsiveness from their team felt worth it. Overall, I think Travel Insured International is a strong choice if you value flexible plan options, solid medical coverage, and round-the-clock support. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.